In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my Salesforce certification. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading to trailheadsalesforce.com. It's easiest to type the address directly into the address bar to avoid any lookalike sites. You don't need to sign in just to verify a certification so you can follow along even if you're not logged in. Once the page loads, give it a second if it's your first visit. Trailhead pages can be content rich. Next, navigate to the certifications area. You'll find a certifications option in the main navigation at the top of the site. If you're on a smaller screen, tap the menu icon first to expand the navigation, then select certifications. This section is where Salesforce centralizes information about credentials, exams, and importantly for us today, verification. On the certifications page, look for the option labeled View Certifications. Click that. This opens Salesforce's public verification tool. Think of it as a directory that lets you confirm whether a person holds an active Salesforce certification and, when applicable, see the status of that credential. You'll land on a simple search page. In the search box, enter either the full name or the email address associated with the certification. For best results, use the exact name used when the exam was taken. Include any middle initial if that's how it was registered. If names are common or if you've changed your name, the email address linked to your certification profile is the most precise way to search. Don't worry about capitalization. It isn't required. If you manage multiple Salesforce-related emails, try the one you used when scheduling exams or maintaining credentials. Now, click Search. After a moment, you'll see results that match your query. If you searched by name, you may see several entries. Look for the correct profile by matching details you recognize. The result will display certifications and their current status, such as active or expired, along with applicable maintenance information. This is your confirmation that the certification exists and is in good standing. If you don't see the expected result, double-check spelling, try an alternate name variation, or use the email address instead. Occasionally, browser extensions or cached pages can interfere, so a quick refresh or an incognito window can help. Also remember, certifications must be maintained on schedule. If one shows as expired, plan to complete the required maintenance to reactivate it. That's it. You've learned the fastest way to verify a Salesforce certification using Trailhead's official tool. Thanks for watching and happy verifying.